but you never.
Alexa, resume playing. Alright, Master Designers. On tonight's episode, we're going to draw abbaddomon core from the new Digimon reboot.
Let my heart and my soul, you see that I ran rings of gold and awards sit on my nightstand. I've got something they want, but it's my
The abbaddomon core is basically the final boss of the original Digimon reboot series.
struggles detach me from this island. Leave my knuckles attack me for my finance. Dealing with this pain, I just can't let you come throw it away. So I run.
Alexa, play Last One Standing. Sorry about that, folks. Anyway, we draw the jaws up here.
Last one standing from Venom. Let there be carnage by Skylar Grey, Polo G and others on Amazon Music. Now you see me standing in the
No, that's more like it.
but
Now
you
we draw
never
the
saw
jaws.
my sacrifice, or all the nights I had to struggle to survive. Had to lose it all to win the fight. I had to fall so many times. Oh, now I'm the last one standing.
You weren't with me on them cold block nights, now you front row for the spotlight. Now the diamonds in the out of my bright, just overseas for a fight flight. Young, going bullshit, and I ball on them Bill Cartwright. I can shine through the darkness. I guess I always been a star type. That line in me made my heart fight. Could have been a victim of an outfight. Took a million risks just to get to this, cause we ain't the ones that the cops like. Been so many times God tested me, they only see the answers I got right. They commenting all on the blogs trying to tell me how to live my life, and I waited so patiently. If you could take off, don't wait for me. No days off, grind faithfully. I keep thanking God for saving me. Frontline showcasing our bravery. I know that top spot, it was made for me. It all paid off, so we felt the struggle so painfully.
Now you see me standing in the lights, but you never saw my sacrifice, or all the nights I had to struggle to survive. Had to lose it all to win the fight. I had to fall so
Now we draw the cannon on his.
many times. Oh,
There we
now
go.
I'm the last one standing.
Yeah, you know the code, we gotta live by it. Never mind all the ice cubes on his wrist wearing the big body. Live by the get body during hella time in that cell. It was hella times where I failed when I had to double back from them L's. Bet he don't double back when he tell. Cause it ain't no coming back when you tell. Why would you leave me here
Now
by
we draw the
myself
black
and never
energy
be
that
lonely?
blasts out of him.
The whole bag on they flights ain't leaving our homies. If he really gained to get him a chain, no Cubans and conies. White Zime in the stogie, stood firm, never folded. Furthest thing from a rotor, you put the jacket on and you bogus. Yeah, big dog and they know it. I had to spin off to stay focused. Long jab on emotion, we on the bandit shit when it's hopeless. I'd have been broke before and they know it.
Easy, like I made it overnight. I make it look easy, but you don't see the dark side and all of the monsters I defied and all of the nightmares made me stronger than life.
Y'all say I've changed, really though? How so? Got all this bread, I'm still sourdough. I don't know, square peg, round hole, like a block of cheese in a paper towel roll. Rocky Balboa, never been no towel thrower. Even when I got kicked to the curb, life knocked my dick in the dirt. I got back up, flipped at the bird till I earned the attention I yearn. Not to mention, I learned how to turn resentment and hurt to an unquenchable thirst. In the simplest terms, is revenge of the nerd in every sense of the word. But all you see is the fame and the millions. You don't see the strength and resilience. How I rack my brain, but it feels as if I'm trying to explain it to children. So a lot of this pain isn't healing. You're escaping if this anger is spilling. Almost like recreating the feeling of 9/11 when the second plane hit the building. So let them paint me the villain. Some of this just may be a symptom of having way too much income. But when you struggle every day just to get some, now all of this hate is a syndrome. When they can't relate, that stems from money looking like it grows on trees. Yeah, they're green, but those aren't leaves. Suffice to say, with every sacrifice I made, it's like I gave up my life to fame. All the nights that I lied awake, nights I stayed up to write and pray. Had to claw, scratch, and fight my way. Just follow me and I'll light the way. Look to the hook if your sky look gray. Island rappers, how can we be on the same level now when I gotta look down and see these clowns that are on the ground? Bitch, I got clouds beneath me. Ever since I put out the EP to the height of 2003, me, you ain't see the struggle to make it out the D because I made it somehow look easy.
Now you see me standing in the lights, but you never saw my sacrifice, or all the nights I had to struggle
This is so
to
fun.
survive. Had to lose it all to win the fight. I had to fall so many times. Oh, now I'm the last
Now we draw
one
the fly trap's
standing.
claws, its teeth.
Oh, now I'm the last one standing.
Here's the cape. There's abbaddomon core's lance. He wears it in a fight. Here's the scarf. Why is it so icy out here? It wasn't icy a while ago. Thank God. The ice stopped. Wish I brought a radiator with me. There we go. Only one last thing to draw, and that's Bismarck here. And finished. That's how you draw a abbaddomon core. It's kind of fast. If you want to find out more on how to draw more Digimon like this, check out the Digimon playlist. And if you have a request, leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. So, what was your favorite episode from the new Digimon reboots? I kind of liked all of them, actually. Even though I haven't seen one in English yet. Anyhow, that's how you draw a abbaddomon core. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and check out the Digimon playlist in the comments below. And I'll have more like this on the way. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night, folks.